Welcome. If you've been wondering how to make your last seen status visible to everyone on Telegram, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can control your visibility and let others know when you were last active. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. On most devices, this appears as three horizontal lines in the top corner, or you might see your profile icon instead. Tap on it to open the main menu. From there, go to Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all your account and privacy options. Once you're inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is important because it controls who can see your personal information and activity. Next, look for the option labeled Last Seen and Online. Tap on it to open the visibility settings. Here, Telegram gives you a few choices for who can view your last seen status. To make your last seen visible to everyone, simply select Everybody. This means that anyone on Telegram, whether they're in your contacts or not, will be able to see when you were last active and when you're online. After selecting Everybody, your changes are saved automatically. There's no need to press any extra buttons. You can simply go back and your new settings will take effect right away. Keep in mind that Telegram works both ways. If you allow others to see your last seen status, you'll also be able to see theirs, depending on their privacy settings. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've made your last seen public on Telegram using the latest update.